Now let's talk about your iPhone, and if you have searched for the question of your back button not working on the iPhone, what can you do about it? So at first we need to tackle that issue and explain it, right? So the iPhones do not have the back button, which is like part of the Androids, right? That there is no such thing in the bottom of the screen. As I say, I compare it to Android phones where you have a back button all the time. On the iPhone, we do not have that, and everything is gesture based. So if you are inside of the app and want to return a bag, you just grab the little handle at the bottom and swipe up to return back home, right? And even within the applications itself, everything is gesture based, and a lot of times you don't even have the back button. It's very simple to navigate, so there isn't any really issue with it. But if you are switching between devices and operating systems, it takes a little bit of getting used to, right? So for example, if I go somewhere deep within the settings, like inside of the software update, you can see that the back button is in fact present in the top left corner. And this is the place where you most definitely should look for it. So whenever you are somewhere deep within the app, just pay attention to the back button right there, and you can click it to return back and continue back again. However, there is also, as I mentioned, the gesture-based approach available where you can just go to the left edge of the display and just grab it like that and slide it toward the middle. And you can see that you can return back using gestures and not buttons. So that's how it works. This is most likely the thing that you are referring to. However, if there is something else which doesn't work on your phone, just make sure you leave a comment below, but just try to be a little bit more specific about what the back button is, because a lot of people think that the home button on older iPhones is the back button, right? Or that the side button, right? So there are some other options or things you might have in mind. So let me know below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.